Hey guys, welcome to Ally Edge. So today I'm going to do a video on customizing the welding table, but I wanted to show you I got the unibody all in primer. It's nowhere near being close. It needs to be block sanded out and re-primed and blocked and primed and all that crap, but I figured I'd show you guys just a quick glimpse of it. It's coming together pretty fast. And then tomorrow we're actually pulling the 57 Chevy in here into the shop finally, so we can start hauling ass on that. I have 1 month to do that car, and I'm gonna try to get everything done in 1 month, and that's painting the frame, putting the brake lines on it, wheel bearings, disc brakes, whatever they want done to the frame, and then paint the frame, and then do the bodywork and paint, and welding in the new floors. So it's gonna be a quick, fast, down and dirty job. We don't paint red cars. It's kind of like for a family member kind of thing, a cousin or whatever. But anyways, so we'll be doing that one, and that'll be a white top with a red bottom, 57 Chevy car. But anyways, I'm gonna flip the camera around and I'll show you the welding table real quick. So about 2 years ago, Heidi got this welding table for me for my birthday. It's 5 foot wide, 12 foot long. And then I put 1,000 holes in it. And these are 5/8 inch holes, and they are set up for the Bessie clamps, or Bessie style clamps. And the reason I'm doing this video is I wanted to show you that, you know, there's a whole bunch of different ways you can customize your table so that it works best for you. And I like the holes because they hold the air tools, so that's kind of trick. And then I took this Beverly shear. This is a Harbor Freight Beverly shear. Mounts right to the table. Didn't have to drill any holes or anything. Just bolts right to it, which is awesome. And then, like I said, I got the spots where I could drop my air tools in there when I'm using them on the table. I did this day before yesterday or whatever, and it's all bolted to the table and awesome, love it. It's so nice to have a vise on here finally. And then this is my custom hammer that we made. It's all powder coated and whatever. I beat the hell out of this thing. And I put a little loop right here so I could drop the hammer on there. Spot for my safety glasses. Welding pliers, and all I did was just spot weld a piece of tubing in here, like 1 inch by 1 inch square tubing. And then I have a spot for, you know, tape measures, markers. Hard to do with a camera. And then I like this lip on here with the I-beam on the bottom of the welding table because it's set up so that you can put your magnets on here. And then I have the on-off magnets, you know, where you can just disconnect them. There's the brand right there. These are the mag switch. These are badass. And then these here are from Harbor Freight, and these are the Burger brand. These are they're kind of iffy, but they work okay. They have an on-off switch on them too. I like them, I use them. Don't really care for this style, but I have a bunch of these too. And then I also welded a piece of a 1/2 inch by like 3/16 or whatever it is, and I just bent it up. And that's just to hold my cutting disc, cut-off disc or whatever, grinding disc on here. And then I want to thank ironhorsegarage for these badass stencils. Go check out ironhorsegarage on YouTube. You guys are killer. They got an awesome channel. And then I have pens and markers, another ball peen hammer, and then I welded this 1/2 inch or 3/8 inch flat stock in here, and it goes like from here all the way to the end of the table here. And you can see I hang all my clamps and everything on here. And it just makes it nice to just real quick. And I also want to thank Michael Knight. This is welder's third hand. This thing is awesome. And I love how it hooks right to my table. Thanks, Michael. If you're watching, haven't heard from you in a while, bro. Hope you're doing good, man. And then these are Bessie clamps. And these, I made these from Harbor Freight clamps. And these are really trick because you can just drop them in the table. And then these are just friction clamps. Clamp it to something, and they get so tight you can't take them off until you loosen this up. And then just pull them back out, and it's pretty trick. You do one-handed when you're doing something. You can see I got a bunch of those sitting here. And then I took a piece of like 3/8 inch plate or whatever it is, just a, you know, a scrap piece of metal that I had, and I set it up so that I keep my grinder right there on the table. And then also another template from ironhorsegarage, and they 3D printed these. These are really trick. If you guys need any 3D printed logos for your business, get a hold of ironhorsegarage. Quick, fast, simple. Really trick. Bam. There you go. Thanks, Iron Horse. Appreciate it, you guys. And then I keep my chair right here. Oh, what? My chair's not marked? Everything's marked. Oh, I'm gonna have to tag that. I'm gonna have to put my name on my chair. And I use my chair for TIG welding. And then this is a TIG welder holder right here. It's real easy to just put the torch there, the TIG welder torch. And my scraps of wire I put on his arm. And this is badass. This was made by Zach of Max and his brother. They have the Zach of Max shop. And I want to thank Zach for this, man. This is an awesome gift right here. Thanks so much, brother. I really appreciate that. It's one of my favorite setups right here. And I like it because it works with my stinger for my MIG welder. And the cool part is you can put it sideways so it doesn't hit nothing. But you can also mount it right there. And it's got neodymium magnets, and they're really strong. So when you stick it on there, thanks, Zach. But anyways, customize your welding table to, you know, where it fits your needs. And it works awesome. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Later.